Hello and welcome to Affordable Trailers. Today what we've got is a top hat 10,000 pound dump trailer. This one's equipped with a remote for going up and down with the dump trailer. It's magnetized so you can stick it to the metal. This one also has a built-in charging system so you can charge it overnight. And as you can see, this one has the scissor lift mechanism, which is much stronger than the individual cylinders or even the dual cylinder. So, like I said, this is a 10,000 pound trailer. It's got the dual 5,200 pound axles made by Dexter. They're spring. It's got the easy lube axles that's available right here. This one also has an optional feature of adding the ramps. This one does not have it, but it is optional. It's got stake pockets on the side of the trailer where you can add sides to it if you wanted more capacity with the trailer. This particular one already has the 4 D-rings in the bed of the trailer, so you can haul a piece of equipment and tie it down securely. It's got double doors in the back that fold out, and they actually you can hold them back with this little chain here. So when you dump it, you don't break the doors off the back of the trailer. So we have a big array of trailers here. Come and see us at Affordable Trailers, Gulf Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Thank you.